Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for new video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now here you are observing figure. This is video of class 6 science chapter 9 structure and functions of the living organism animals. Okay, you should understand cell, smallest unit of life, tissue, organs, organ systems. Here the following are the main organ system of the human body: digestive system, excretory system, respiratory system, skeleton system, circulatory system, reproductive system, and nervous system. Here digestive system, you are already studied in class 4 so many things. Here digestion, oral cavity, digestion, teeth. Here crown, root, incisors, canines, premolars and molars, different types of teeth. Okay, tongue, this is the answer of E2, to draw taste bust on the tongue, to draw figure of tongue. Okay, E2, this is the answer of E2. The salivary glands, the food pipe, esophagus, you know about esophagus. And here stomach, liver and pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, anus. Respiratory system, what is respiration? Respiration is the process in which oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is released from the body. Okay, pharynx, larynx, voice box, epiglottis, you should read this thing and try to understand. Bronchi, diaphragm, this is the answer of E3. Lungs cannot move by themselves. It is the movement of diaphragms and the muscles between the ribs of the chest wall that causes the expansion and contraction of the lungs, thus breathing takes place. Okay, a baby is born with pink lungs. As the child grows older, his lungs get darkened due to the impurities of the air. On the average, the lungs of an adult man can hold about 6 liters of air. Air can shoot out of as fast as a motorbike. During sneezing, air rushes out at about 160 km per hour. Okay, this is the speed of heart. Here you are observing heart, and also blood vessels, arteries, veins, capillaries, blood. Nervous system, try to understand about nervous system: brain, a spinal cord, nerves, sense organs. Okay, excretory system, this is excretory system. Kidneys, vertical section of a kidney. Now about a skeletal system: a skeleton, ligaments, tendons. The reproductive system, here there is reproductive system. Okay, now question answer time. In question answer I have written also question answer. Try to read this thing and try to pause the video and try to write. Okay, here digestion, veins, nerve cells, right, bean, sweet, tastes. False, true. Liver, stomach, spinal cord, kidneys, reproductive system. Here answer of D, no teeth. Salivary glands, process in which oxygen is taken and carbon dioxide is released from the body. Epiglottis. 3, brain, spinal cord, nerves and sense organ. Skull, fertilization. Okay, value based question also. Also value based questions. Motivation, discipline, transport oxygen, take back CO2, group discussion in class. Okay, now question answer time. The process of breaking down or conversion of food into very fine and soluble particles is called digestion. Okay. Various steps of digestion: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, digestion. Okay. Now turn question number 2. Turn page number for question number 2. Turn page 142. Okay. Question is draw a diagram of the tongue and show the location of the taste buds on it. Okay, here in this question, draw a diagram of the tongue and show the location of the taste buds on it. Answer of this question is here. Try to understand all the things. Page number, turn 142. Okay, page number 142. 42. Here I have written answer E2 answer. Okay, answer of E2. This diagram you should draw and you should also label this thing: salty, sour, bitter, sour, salty. This is the answer of E2. Now question number E3. Turn page 146. Here question is like this. Explain the role of diaphragm in the process of breathing. You have to write answer. Diaphragm. Lungs cannot move by themselves. It is the movement of a diaphragm and the muscles between the ribs of the chest wall that causes the expansion and contraction of the lungs. Thus breathing takes place. This is the answer of question number E3. Okay. Now question number E4. Here question is give the function of the heart and the blood vessel in the circulatory system. Okay. Function. The heart is located slightly towards the left in the chest. It is a muscular organ roughly of the size of the closest fist of the person. The heart is divided into two half equals, left half and right half. Okay. And the blood vessels. Okay. Blood moves around in the body through a system of tubes called the blood vessels. They are of three types: arteries, veins and the capillaries. Okay. The vessels bringing blood back to the heart from different parts of the body are called veins. Okay. This is the answer of E4. Now E5. State the function of the nervous system. Okay. State the function of the nervous system. E5. Here E5. Here E5. It is a system of organ which controls and coordinates all the activities of our body. The nervous system consists of the following organs. Okay. And explain the role of nerves. Here also you should write. The nervous system is made up of billions of nerve cells which carry message throughout the body. The message travels through the cells as a small electric current called a nerve impulse. Nerves are of two types: sensory nerves and motor nerves. Okay. Now turn page number 150 for question 6. Give a brief outline of the process of excretion by the kidneys. Okay. Here answer of E6. Answer. There is a pair of kidneys in the human body. Each kidney is brick red in color and is bean shaped. They filter out waste products from the blood. These waste form a light yellow colored liquid called the urine. Okay. These are the answer of this chapter. Okay. I hope you may write, you may pause the video and you are able to write answer of all questions. Here value based questions, motivation, discipline, transparent oxygen, take back CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. Group discussion, there should be group discussion. Okay, thank you. Now one thing I suggest you, my channel name is SK Singh Bikramganj. Actually I have made this channel for question answer, also for revision purpose. Okay, you may take here you may take what thing, help with this question answer. Okay, you will be able to write all question answer. And one thing I will suggest you, you will like my video and also share and also subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj, so that you can get new video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.